Welcome back to my channel, Chef Pro. So today I'm going to be making a very interesting chatpada delicious recipe. This is called suji pakoda. Yes guys, suji pakodas, also known as chops. So as you can see, I've taken some suji. Obviously we're going to be needing suji as well, right? Suji, then add in some curd, and after that add a bit of salt and mix. Because if we're making pakodas, it should be smooth, not uneven like mountains, right? And I'm not saying mountains look ugly, but they're the best things to watch. So as you can see, I've made it and I've kept it to the side for half an hour. Then I'm going to be adding some chili flakes. After that, we're going to be adding some jeera. Yes, some jeera. You have to add jeera accordingly. Then we're going to be adding some ginger, chopped up ginger, some chopped up onions, some capsicum, then some of the curry patta. Do add curry patta, and as I said, onions. And after that, add some dhania patta as well for good smell and taste. Then as you can see, this powder is popping. Yes, it is baking soda. That means, guys, yes. So I've added the baking soda. Then we're going to be mix it nicely, guys, because this is going to be fried. Yes. So as you can see, I've taken the refined oil. It's become hot enough. It's hot, like very hot, like Kolkata right now. It's burning hot. Then I've added the pakoras in it, and we're like the humans, like the pakoras. Just the same example, humans in Kolkata and in Delhi, in Rajasthan, in all of these places. I can name them all literally. That's why we're the humans, we're the pakoras, frying in the heat. So let's forget that now, guys. And then I've taken out all the pakoras because they're fried fully nicely, and you're going to be frying all of them the same way. And honestly, you can eat this like this only because it tastes so damn delicious that I just enjoyed it. Then I've taken a bowl because we're going to be plating, right? If we don't make it properly, then how we're going to be feel satisfied from inside, right? So I want to be satisfied with this. So now let's do some plating. Yes guys, plating is also known as decorating. So now I've taken some curd which has a bit of sugar in it. If you do not want to have sugar, like I know a lot of you are dieting, then do not add sugar to your curd and just add the curd. It will taste the same. But if you are not dieting and you like to add sugar, then add sugar. Then I've added some, meaty chutney and some green chutney. Then we're going to be adding some homemade, yes guys, homemade jeera masala, which we all know how to make, right? So I've added the homemade jeera masala, and then we're going to be adding a little more curd. Yes, some more curd would be perfect, and some green chutney and some meaty chutney, and that's it. We're ready. Garnish with a bit of, what do you call it, what is it? Oh my god, I forgot. What is it? Dhania patta. Yes, dhania patta. Then I've added some tomato sauce and some green chutney. This is the second way how to do it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.